It's Bob Massi, Facebook Live. It's Tuesday afternoon. Don't forget to vote, by the way. It's very important to get out there and exercise your civic duty. So it's never too late is about the idea of how many people just feel that they don't want to take the time to put together a simple will or trust or medical issues that they have to deal with in the future, medical durable powers of attorney. A lot of people put that to the side, particularly the baby boomers. And I'm here to tell you that all you need to do is to be conscientious and understand that if you put things together, it makes it easier for those when you're gone. And that's really your responsibility as a parent. You really need to do that. Whether you have children or don't have children, set up your estate properly. There's a couple things you should know. How to avoid probate. Well, always remember that, for example, life insurance policy, if you named a beneficiary, it will go directly to them upon your death. If you have an IRA or 401k and you have a named beneficiary, that avoids probate. There's also a thing called a deed effective upon death. That's where you create a deed and says upon your death, it goes to whomever you designate as the survivor. And again, there's a process to record those documents. The most important thing about that instrument is you're not transferring title. You're just saying upon your death, it's going to go to this person. Again, avoids probate. Checking account and savings account. You know, if you want a named beneficiary, you could put it on there. But most people should have at least a simple will no matter what. Why? Because of a common accident. If you're married, how's your estate going to go? And if you want to avoid probate and the cost of probate, doing a living trust is the best thing you could do. Remember about a living trust. First of all, it's a private document. That means upon your demise, as opposed to a will that you have to publish if there's going to be a probate and everybody knows who your heirs are and what you have, a trust is a private document. And as a result of that, nobody really knows what you have and who you give things to. The most important thing with a trust is to name a successor trustee. Who is it that should take care of your estate if you are gone? If there's a common accident, you're the last person to pass. So it's never too late to look at these things. And by the way, it doesn't matter how old you are. If you're a young person, you have children, you should at least have a simple will that if you have minor children, who's going to be the guardian of your estate if something happens to you, who's going to raise your child, who's going to send them to education, how you want them to be raised. You should always have that kind of document done as a young person. Married or single, doesn't matter. Do those type of things. So your estate planning is very important. I think that don't get caught up in doing it yourself. That's silly because many times people come into the office, somebody died, they went on one of the websites and they did it on their own. They come to me to try to fix the problem. So very, very important that you get some counseling on this. You can always come and see us, Massi and Massi at 702-870-1100. Go to our website, www.massiandmassi.com. Obviously, Facebook Live. Go to YouTube because we upload a lot of the things that I do on YouTube. And watch for my son Robert's video. He's going to be talking about some other issues next week. Have a good day.